Introducing BlackVue DR750S-2CH, the new cloud dashcam standard. Refining BlackVue's signature design, the DR750S-2CH reinvents dashcam performance. Both front and rear cameras feature a full HD Sony STARVIS image sensor. We push the STARVIS sensor to its limits so you can feel safe knowing your BlackVue is recording clear videos day and night, whether you're driving or your vehicle is parked. When you just want best recording fidelity, BlackVue delivers with up to 60 frames per second. The result is true-to-life footage that catches crucial details even in fast-moving objects. But there's more. Faster Wi-Fi for quicker downloads with the BlackVue app, event video file protection, adaptive format-free file management, improved GPS, and of course, cloud connectivity. BlackVue DR750S-2CH, dashcam without compromise. Find yours at BlackVue.com.